Sam and Otis from SK Coffee here.
That's right. Hey, Sam from SK Coffee here. My family's been coming up to this lake up in northern Minnesota, Two Inlets Lake, for almost 90 years. And came up this last weekend and realized we didn't have a coffee machine. So, wanted to make it the old school style. This is known as egg coffee or Lutheran coffee or cowboy coffee. Basically, you just mix an egg and its shell with the grounds and boil it in water. Here's what you do. Crack the egg, then 1 cup of ground coffee, grind it up. You can have it about a medium grind. Beat the egg a little bit, add the coffee, swirl it around, add the crushed eggshell, swirl it a little more. Now add half a cup of cold water to that mix again. Mix it up. Then you have boiling water. You add that coffee egg mixture into the boiling water. Boil the coffee egg mixture in the water for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add another half a cup of cold water, and that's supposed to kind of grab that egg mixture and bring it to the bottom. Now, we didn't have a perfect scenario, and you probably won't either. You know, we don't all work in the basement of a Lutheran church, so we did it in a pot. And so what we did is we then further strained it through just a little colander into a little basin with a spout on it. Pour it and enjoy it. What this really gets down to is you can have fantastic coffee and brew it however you want. You could literally just have grounds and boiling water. You don't need to have egg in there if it's not your cup of tea or cup of coffee, rather. It's really about the quality of coffee you buy. SK Coffee, perhaps? I don't know. But in any case, nothing really quite beats drinking coffee and looking at this beautiful scenery, this beautiful winter wonderland. So make your egg coffee, cowboy, Lutheran, basement, church coffee, and enjoy with family, friends, and preferably somewhere beautiful.